So you can get daily payments from this site. All you have to do is spend only 1 minute on this site and you can get the daily payment. So here you can see the minimum payout of the site is only $0.01 and the payments are instant to Perfect Money. The two options that are available on this site to withdraw are Perfect Money and Coinbase. For the members, you can see that you are getting $0.001 per action, and for your referral click you are getting 0.0005 per referral click. You can see that payments are via Bitcoin and Perfect Money. Bitcoin payments you will receive in Coinbase. The minimum payout is only $0.01. Total that they have paid is $0.7. So hit the register button, fill in the form, attach your wallet ID in which you want to receive the payment. For Coinbase, attach your email. For Perfect Money, attach your account ID and then register. After you are registered, log into the site. I have already received the payment from the site and the payment was totally instant. Here you can see that my total website visits are 10 and 0 bonus, account balance is 0 and total amount paid is $0.01. In the payment section, here you can see I received the payment of $0.01 to Perfect Money on 27 September 2020. And to start your earning, at the top hit the view offers button. Here you have to make 10 clicks and that's it. To start, you have to click here to see the steps and then follow the video here. This video will show you how you can view these ads. Here you can see you have to first click on the ad. It will open a YouTube page. Here you have to hit the subscribe button and that's it. Hit the subscribe button and that's it. Then click complete the next then hit the complete button. So that's it. It will be approved in 1 or 2 seconds and you will get the amount in your account balance. So in my history you can see my payment 27 September $0.01 Perfect Money and payment sent. The payment was totally instant. In the payouts you can see that there are two options available. You can get the money through Perfect Money, that is instant, and if you want to use Coinbase it will take up to 1 day to complete the payment. So after receiving the payment, here you can see I received the mail from the site saying that my payment was a success. I received $0.01. You can see the time 1 hour ago, and I received the mail from Perfect Money saying that the amount of $0.01 USD has been deposited to my account, and here you can see the time 1 hour ago. So the site is completely legit as of now, and you can make 1 cent daily by spending only 40 to 50 seconds on this site. It can be less, it can be more depending on how you work. So this is it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more legit earnings.